Yes. Well,
Thank you. I'm not able to find address of Arun Mukherjee, Mrs. Goenka. I think you are giving undue importance to this.
I always thought you were intelligent, Mathur. You have done those things that people in so many years have never done. You have proven me wrong. Now stop giving silly excuses. He is not there in this country. I think he must have left this country by now.
You are giving too much importance to this.
Mathur, I'm giving all of this as much importance as it deserves. Because he is not our business rival or social contender. He is somebody very close to us, who in the garb of friendship is actually an enemy to us. But one thing is clear. I am not the kinds who will lose.
hello. Who's speaking? Who is it?
Mr. Chaudhary, you don't know me. But I know everything about you. And I also know how people was unfair to you, cheated you, blackmailed you.
Well, who are you talking about, brother?
You tell me, about whom do you want to know first? Rajnath Goenka or your close friend, Sakit?
Well, what are you saying?
Well, you leave that. I just wanted you to know, how can I help you?
But I...
Very good, Dad. That is it. One more to go.
Hello, Arun Mukherjee works for whom and whom does he report to? I can give you information about this. Who's this? I'm just helping you. Don't ask my name. Well, I can tell you the price for giving me this information. When and what time? Today, afternoon 2 p.m. HHI. Okay. The trap for the mouse is all set.
The rat will come and stuck in our trap. Okay, Dad. Now I will complete my other pending work also.
What is Mr. Chaudhary doing alone over here?
Well. I was just wondering, who is that handsome man who is sitting here?
Well, anyway, I do know that. You stare at handsome men only.
Mathur, leave old stories. Why are you still delving into old history? Can I sit over here?
Oh, sure. Please sit
Well,
down. sit
thank
down.
you so much.
Well, I shouldn't be sitting with him, but it is okay.
God knows why he has come over here.
When that man comes, I'll make some excuse and leave.
So, Mr. Mathur, what would you like to take?
No, I don't need anything.
Hey, what are you saying? You're sitting with me today. Let me take the chance to take care of you. Well, give me two.
Mr. Mathur, someone has dropped this for you at the reception.
Hey, hello, Mr. Manager. He is Mathur, sir.
Sorry, sir.
And this bag must have come for him.
Who sent this briefcase for me? Are you sure this bag is for me?
Well, are you Mr. Ravi Mathur?
Oh, no. I am Naveen Mathur. It is good that you told this now. Else I would have kept someone else's bag. Take this away, please.
Sorry, sir.
Well, please.
Sorry, sir.
Well, that's okay. Where's this man? I can't even call him up. I should have taken his number down.
Yes, well,
Thank you.
someone tries to ransack your cabin in your absence, what will they get? There'll be nothing about you, but they will get every information about my company.
And all the evil work that I've done for you. Those information also.
You have done a very big mistake, Mathur. I just hope that you will not repeat those mistakes again. Your computer was also switched on.
Sorry, Mrs. Goenka. I'll be careful henceforth.
Did you leave the office in a hurry?
Yes.
What was the urgency?
What do I say? Well, I tried making someone a fool and I met Chaudhary and had a drink with him. The deal we were doing with Thakur, the joint venture actually, it had some legal formalities. I had to complete them, so...
Thank you. Why can't Raj see that this man is becoming more careless every day? Rather than getting information about the parties whom we are signing the deal with, leaving that aside, he had gone to process the legal papers for the deal. A work that can be done by our junior staff too. Thank God I myself have started finding information about Durga Thakur.
Dr. Sen just came in. What did he say? How is Payal's progress?
Dad, there has been no improvement in Payal. The way Payal was, she is still the same.
Don't be worried. Have patience. This hospital and their treatment is very good. I do believe that she is not recovering very fast. But condition is not worsening. And this is a very good sign. A very good sign. Give us some time. Payal will be all right. Have faith on me. I want to show you something.
Perfect, Dad. When Sakshi Goenka looks at this, it will be real fun. Well, I have received some more information, Dad. I'll download those first when I go back home. That is it, Dad. The rope around Mathur's neck is just getting tighter. Okay. Finally, I have received all the information. Very safe and ready to create problems. Mathur, Naveen Mathur, now your days are done. And with you, even Sakshi Goenka's.